Moja kanjani bathini Disemotweni Paula sinyakeng ngijim Sisembolweni
Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to a special episode of Emo Training All the Time. I'm your boy Lloyd Stacks, Big Mia, Big Guanino, Big Speo, and today I have a special guest. He goes at first they used to call him Umbushi. Yeah. And then Bangkushe
What?
Then ungalithanda la gama
mfethu ubone ligama naliphiwe rapini earlier and it was a first name dog.
Jof all the time yabona nje yami ngasikibela
belapha phambili
like phambi kwakho like uyabonakala otherwise bana.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, like ngikhumbula nanikwangibanga nela gama. Kade umjida wami upayi la we. Yanena ligama engalithandiyo la we yabo. Bala phela li viral la we abantu bembiza ngokusheshe yabo ngomba yeah there's nothing I can do dog ngokusheshe so it is what it is.
Ngokusheshe wave. Yabonga ASAP Trail la yeah.
Dog, yeah, that was the era dog.
Yo,
I was feeling like a big dog when I go ASAP ndiphothakelwe ngufake la we.
ASAP Trail la. I'm on a new level.
Digumo.
Yo, lekhali. But now people know him as Slime, dog. Everyone is slime. But we'll get there, dog. So to the people who don't know out there, man, can you just please give us a bio? Like, who are you, where you from, and what do you do? For a hobby or for a art?
Igama yabonga uThembekile, obviously those who've been in class with me at school or whatever, they know who I am. Yeah, but otherwise, I'm not gonna go broad into personal stuff. Nzakunika nje le artist perspective. Yeah, but igama ngu Slime. Short name Slime. Yeah, but on some SoundCloud shit, on some Twitter X, on Insta, on TikTok, short name _Slime.
Issue.
Yeah, but Digle wave ya trap la way. You can say I do mostly ghetto gospel trap. Melodic shit for most of the time, but yeah, and rapper la way, I'm a rapper and I use Venek now and then, but I'm mostly into English, and it was la way ni data ngo George.
Issue.
Representing the cast in the hood.
So like the way you're rapper, when did it start? Like when did you fall in love with the rap and like, you know what, I like this shit, let me do this shit?
Yeah, dog. I remember the first time like the rap and then mamela. Oh, I think it was even before Insimbi Skaqala. Yeah, but I think that qala kumsawawa cause in my home ndikhulwe ndibizwa msawawa la we.
Mayanga la we.
Yeah, as Mayanga. So like yayikhona la ngoma kamsawawa. Yes. Msawawa lo. Aha, abangakanani abashayeza sekhupane shaya meketa situ fire ta.
I don't know the lyrics but it's nice.
Yesu msawa angeke wanthola what out.
You remember?
Give me 5 rounds. You guys said you fuck I just spent time. I'm sour.
That shit is lit, dog.
Yeah, but so like at that time nangayazi nobantu funa baye rapper. Kwakusadlala interrogation room ikhona inyikaka yayithanda unxibe enye coat pha investigator, yayi scientist. Yabo isikaka ku forensics. Yeah. So like ndabona la kaka one day yabo itime yami yangibuza ndifuna uba yindoni ndathi ndibawela uba yila kaka la bhaji busy ne computer yabo yathi scientist ndathi ndifuna uba scientist ngandikhule yabo. But ekhuleni kwami la way I fell in love with music la way naqomba
cause I know your fam, dog. I know your fam and like who artists kokweni.
Yeah.
Hope uyacula, hope bekhubusi baqina, dog.
All of them, dog.
They have a beautiful voice and baza abanye, but I just know the two.
All
like
of them. So ndinami ndifuna release no vocal.
Yo, dog.
Nje ndinibonise the other side of me.
Yeah. And then after that you used to sing Msawawa, and all that shit, guys. And then when like this is like, yo, okay, I'm doing this shit.
I think la we ndaqala ka grade 3
What?
Yeah, nayiqala ka grade 3 dog. Recorder nomnye umjita wami ndanisehangi nandifunde Weston Intermediate School. Omnye umjita wami kuthiwa ngumanje uMandilakhe. Sasimbiza ngomanje.
Manje.
Yabo. Athiwa sikhonge Fridays. Kwakuthathwa idesk asibekwe la we bakuyacleanwa most all of that shit yeah. So mina no Athiwa si freestyle la we yabo. Bethu idesik. And at that time cinga ke ndise fresh inqondo fresh yabo so freestyle yakhawuleza uqokolelana.
And just nabantwana elaxesha nyani we
yabo enduringa ngelewe lapho phangwa.
Yabona la we.
Ubani nxiba ikasi
yabo. Yaziphumela mina nami.
Yaziphumela ndiyancebeleka yashibilika la we. So like naphela ndibona pha abama because ndavunywa yabo ndandivunywa ngamajita and wonke umuntu wayibaseleka manje sithi hama mna nami bona basihamba sonke sometimes mhlawumbe isihleli sivele yodlala ibhola bethu nje ibeat khawurep mntana
khona la uyeza idethwa la kayena
so nabona pha ba man ubona ndiyakwazi uyenza levi and then ke ngoku I think pha ko grade 6 ndaqalisa ufuna urecorda ke because ngivi beats ndivumcolo yabo kukhona insimbi zikaqala noPhizo Lotion yabo ndikwispaza
mtaka
yabo
dog like how old are you dog?
Dog I'm the same age as you
dog. Oh, the way you talking to me right now,
dog, I'm a 2K baby. Dog.
Yo, 2K babies, dog.
2K baby, dog.
And then grade 6, like you come after I wanna rap, like
dog.
Boom. And who did you go to? Actually,
yeah, dog. Grade 6, dog. I didn't go to anyone actually. I called nomnyumshita wakuthiwa nguOpa yabo. Ndasayenzayo saboleka iSamsung kaOpa noAchos yabo. And then ibe I think wayesebenzisa ndo andiyana wayesebenzisa iNokia uAchos. Nokia kaAchos inazi beats yabo. Khona enye kit room yayingasetyenziswa. Sasimane siphekelela pha kula kit room because yayi empty yabo. Empty kit room ayina for call and akho bantu abathanda uyapha sambe siye pha just to get that echo effect yabo la wingathi ureverb wethu yayivakale kahle singaphazanyiswa siye phakla abandoned kit room dog sifike pha hlala ibeat kule phone cofuna nje ukurecord kule phone like
yokudala za record ngawe guys it was how did you know how to do those things dog? If you know say phuma out bad on the phone but sayivakala funny it was the sound yasekasi jo ama yes nyani for the sound yasekasi I master ishwanga funny but you hear the shit and at that time like what was your rap name at that time?
Tikas Machine.
Yo Yo, Tikas Machine. I think you should stick to that name. Think you should stick to that name. Tikas Machine. Yo, I mean that's a deadly name. I would want to fucking listen to Tikas Machine, dog. Shinga Tikas, funny. Yo, now Tikas Machine.
I lost.
That's a new name. Tikas Machine.
Yeah, mfethu so naqalelo hlobo wena Stakes achuso wami yabo. So I remember pha ko grade 8. Grade 8 I think ndamfundela ngapho kwecala. Ndahamba ehangi nazapha kwecala.
Sawuhlala ehangi na.
Yeah, nangihlala ehangi yabo but i-time yami yayingapha igriza lami lisehangi yabo. So nangihlala negriza. Ndahamba ndaza ngapha ngiqala ufika ndidibana nomjita ekuthiwa nguLukho yabo khona omnye umjita ekuthiwa nguLukho Mhlonhlo but asongo walapha I think owasemthatha so wamuva wabuyela kwelacala lo mjita ohamba no ngobanga lo mjita lo mjita uqhwalelayo uhlala phanga kokheyi mango
dala waqhwalela
ndiyana mbethe engabahlali
okay na ayala
yayi baselekile lawe manje sithi record sansistudio yabo
yo yayazi ke le
okay ke naye sekwezawe yeza underground waves angela xesha buspaza so yabo esabetha la sound nje
yeah
athi wasethanda uskima no cool sometimes
Yeah.
cool lo ayithanda uhamba no
Namala
Damaster
mshita
yeah
la.
yabo athi wasemane nithembisa bawuzandise studio mane nibhala ke nami
Yeah.
ibhani xela bawo 72 pages bambe
Yo,
skela
friend,
namba
bagcwele.
bagcwele bagqitya zireyasi dada
That's every day, Joe.
every day boy ngiyakwazi ubhala kathathu ngemini eyi-1 3 songs dog in one day sometimes I wouldn't even write a song
Song
'cause-
yabhala qha lines.
ubone cause akho hook
yeah.
akho nicks akho structure I'm just writing
we.
dog yabo and so like I think my first song I did it when was it 2019
2019.
yeah uqala kwami urecord
No
abantu
ways,
I'm
huh?
recording on a professional
Yeah.
oko ndandifuna
Okay.
urecord dog
Oko uzawufuna urecord.
yami sanga nadibana
Yo.
nestudio
Dog, I remember le guy.
nabana 19
Funny-
from grade 3 nabana
Oh, kufuna uyenza le way qha yazi bama uyenza.
uyenza andiyazi bama ndiyenziphi akho zitudio akho ntoni ezikaka ziyandibambekisa zizandirecord
Hey.
azindirecord ndaqala urecorda i-first song yami and I think yayingu-fake friends ne yayingu-fake friends ndamrecorda komnye umjidi ekuthiwa ngusiya mthanda boy
I think
But
yeah
it goes
nakhumula
by, yeah.
because I met you around those times and actually
Yeah.
in 2018 ngo December la. Yeah.
big homie got the keys yabo
Yeah.
yeah long rants
I remember the magama wakho la. I'd never met those niggas but
Yeah,
yes I
bro.
would sit by your long rants
yeah
no.
like beatmaker umchita wayene potential phofu sena potential qha I
Yeah.
think he's focused on some other things now
Yeah.
as people we outgrow certain stuff yabo nxa sikhula obviously yabo yarekhodwa lamchita lowa ayenrekhoda nge-earphones dog no ndiyaxoka yayingasong 2016 uqala kwami urap
And song
yayingusong
2019.
2019 I
I
think it was
remember, I
around
think
2016 2016 ewe Forest Hills
Yeah.
anengoma siphothakele zimigosi elaxesha
Yeah.
ngingoma
Yeah.
kweza early
Hofna ngoku dog like but it's on a nicer level now.
yeah
It's on a
the
flyer
thing now
level.
like you're not capping
Yeah.
too much now like uba si struggle rapper urapper
Yeah.
about it became cool elaxesha
Yeah, ngela xesha za
yo change
yo
Like,
swag.
G63 in this bitch and rapper ngento ongenazi
But Joe, I like at that time like all you when you do it now, dogs so twa you are swim. Kaka even though kaka sidala bezigxeka uzothi achu sami rap kaka le. A rap la kaka le.
yeah so like that record I think that record la nyaka yabo that release
And-
umculo ku
yeah.
SoundCloud and then one record to Big Homie
Ah,
yabo one record to Big Homie and then I got my first I think 500 plus plays
But
in
before
less
we
than
get there,
20.
but before we get there, like let me tell you, Bone, I met this nigga at the bush, dog. Bone,
Hey, dog.
funga saloka at that time.
Bone.
Kali bone le gaga le.
Siqabana umqolo fondini
Yeah,
yeah.
Acho amashita shame like at the first time akuyo mdeni but anzothetha into yasebush. Semdeni la xesha dog. Yo. Shame mnani shame amashita. Mnandi la way and these niggas fell in love with me like yeah sho mshita namncane la yazi and welcome la way and ever since sabango achos even after post khumula mana celebrity after lena
khumbula nawe mamsiya pha kume romance
Yeah.
bhala ingoma pha
Yeah.
singazange
Dog man city so your studio now but at least mnana like yeah boss espleti la sa record ta exaro la way you know
yeah dogs
like and then I feel like nasa teacher some goal now because
yeah dog
ever since we knew each other that we were making
yeah
music
it's all about i-rappers
Yeah.
chemistry yabo nxa
Yeah.
umjide sithi uyacula
yeah mo.
like the first time you meet you're obviously gonna click dog
Yeah.
but so ukuthi I feel like kwenzekala
Yeah.
we as in the end you like yeah feel like nyaka wethu like it was crazy dog ayizikake
Yo.
esichayiweyo
Hey,
yabo ikake esikhulu la we
yo
yabo
ubona like ikakaza lapha lokushini
ubone ingathi lo ngekasi lalimkile liphana
Liphana,
la
Joe.
nyaka wethu
I think
la
are we the coolest generation
I think so bro I think so
We the-
what is so saying dead bro
we
I
the
think
coolest
so.
generation like And then boom, after that, dog, he started making like music, Fake Friends, and
Yeah, that is. That science wona suku 041. Tina nene.
yeah, now we have a song together, 041. Dog, check it out on SoundCloud.
Yeah,
Dog.
science 041 after wona suku Fake Friends.
Yo, dog. Like, why was my verse short, dog? Like, why was my verse short, dog? Really,
yabo ingxaki I think uAccuse la xesha engakazi kwazi zawe ubonza extend
oh, I see.
no T.
nayo
So mna I had already chosen the first part of the song.
Yeah.
Yabo, and then he was like, who are you gonna put on the second part lawi? Yabo, and kuzo qonde nyani ba
Eqaleni mina wrote dabhala intwendi la we. And then ngakufika uba okay, it's time to record this shit. Yeah, I've some imfisha. Yeah. But I shame him nani back dog like.
Angagcinaki watsho lawi ayimokho nje kuze iqala ufika.
Fethu.
Uthakele ngobishe.
Yazi fethu like umuntu like sayixaxa nguspova man. Spova like akale sayethanda urate tracks abantu la kakale. Ikurate everything on wax. Amile kakale. Newucila likaka waxoza bethu umculo okla
But yabo mna I feel like I went through that phase a lot, dog. Cause I remember like when I was starting out, did decide about okay, Nancy, I'm gonna stick to this type of music. Yabo. Yenza le way slime. I started around 2016. Yabo. Yeah, like I was fascinated by Young Thug.
Yeah, way.
Yabo umna ngikhule ndimthanda Lil Wayne.
Yeah.
And then kwaba khumntu sounda njengo Lil Wayne but who is more catchy. Yabo, and who doesn't put a lot of thought into his craft but still kuphuma izinto ezingcolileyo. It's like he's ingenious at the same time. You don't know what's happening. You're like, the fuck is this trash or hard?
Yeah, sure.
Confused.
Because it's not heavy bars, but Young
Thug. And then I found out by the way funeki ihambe cadence. Yabo. Funeke like ube nelingo. Yabo, you have to keep up with the lingo yakwela cala and everything. I was like, okay, ndifuna better obviously.
Yeah.
I came out more as a mock rapper because ngathi ndenza parody ka Young Thug. Ndizama uba nguYoung Thug.
Yeah.
That better.
I remember Nyampe, you sound like Young Thug, fam.
Yeah, I talk like it. Yeah, but then since I sound then uyenza generic sound ka Young Thug. But later on I learned that man ngakwazi thatha iroute yami and I received a lot of criticism but
like
Kombanza improve ngokwami ndaphela improve la way you born.
Okay, like talking about the criticism like how like ngubani like bebesithi yeah.
I ngikhumbula ndise Forest Hill.
Yeah.
Mamilise Rodman or Fake Friends. Mind you, okay, crowd the states cause mna bene
you're the king of SoundCloud. Ekasi.
Following yami isuke states la we yabo most of my following. So okay states like hey man ndiyavunywa la we. Oh, I keep going, man. You are the hottest shit. Yeah, man.
Yeah, slime, dog.
This is slime shit, dog. The mamilise Rodman. Siko umnyumshita wami la xesha khona la area yami nangiqoqa la we. Yabo. Chayikoqa mna.
So what's the hard boy? You're gonna go.
Khona nendumba, khona ingekhoyo man nekhethi zila. Yabo. Mamelise Rodman la we le track yamba you hata nazi track yami na 600 plays kuna ku SoundCloud mamela. Yabo achuso mian hype ba you hard ke lo mchita lo. Nendoni yaqa. Yo le ayathi ay. Malendo trash. Hayi lo acha yebuza ngubando.
Tingbalo nitokaka.
Yo, I'm the now. I'm a patay kami.
But when you boom at SoundCloud, man,
you boom na ngani mamele.
Nah, that's
like. Pambele.
I'm not gonna believe you, nigga.
Oh, I try you the gaga la we. Ubone party. Inonithandayo zange ndayichange sound yami to accommodate anyone cause umninzi umuntu owazana suggestions za kumba I think you should go with
Yo.
this route itshintsha ngokurep elihlobo
Yo.
yazi intoni nosebenza tyhosi
Yo.
ba unoyenza into ethile
Yo.
zange ndamamela mntu I've always been authentic to myself lawi
Yo.
ndizixelele banzawustika kule sound endisebenzelayo
Yeah.
ndikwaziyo
Ikwaziyo la eh.
abayithandayo bazayithanda
And you're gonna get better at it.
yabo abangayithandiyo abazuyithanda lawi
Fet ndibacaphukela abantu abangayenziyo lento niyenzayo. Fikika ke xele mfethu asikuyenzele we
Ubone.
man la eh.
ubone
And like I won't lie dog, I do take advice. Sometimes the things you say like this is bendisicela ukuhamba okay I'm going to change it. Some of that helps but iyadika la way. It's not that bad like bone. Banifuni ucetyiswa la way but like sometimes
awukwazi utwika ivision yam
yabona
lawi
la way.
into ofuna wena yenzeke ngendlela
lawe.
yakho ubone
But-
because at the end of the day nami ndinendlela yami yobona izinto
Yeah.
nawe unendlela yakho yobona izinto
la way.
yabo umna ndiyibona uba iphumela ngapha nxa uzayibona ngolwakho uhlobo ifuna wena
Yabo.
yabo
But like as you say like bona kubekho abantu who trying to bona like yeah le vision unayo wena yabo then kubekho abantu abazofika man khayenze le way.
yabo
Yeah.
umntu ufuna uyidirector kule direction yakhe ivision yakho
And then
As in
apho
then-
uphinda umbone nombona ke hok la
Yabo.
wena uhambe ne vibe yakhe boom bekhona abanye ke who say other things akhayenze le way ngoku awuyazi nalento uyenzayo because
but it all depends on you lawe I feel like as a person you need to be authentic to
Yeah.
to yourself first and foremost
Yeah.
yabo awukwazi umisdirectwa abantu bazama ukulidela ijeni yakho
Yeah.
ba iyangapho uyengapho umna dog I've always been hard-headed nandi stubborn
Yeah.
if ungixelela uba mandenza into and I feel like eyami vision le if unongixelela uba mandirep isixhosa ningafuni urep isixhosa
Anzo-
asondisirep isixhosa na nini na
Hey.
and uzandenza uba ningasirep
Isixhosa
isixhosa
more, la.
nirep isixhosa
Yabo.
yabo so ilo way dogzini yabo
And then yeah you said from Slimes dog and Slimes yeah bono rapper just like Young Thug faced all this criticism but you're still going on strong yeah boy even right now I'm shot in them Slime dog
yeah
like
dog but ndifuna ulitshintsha
where did aim okay before we'll change it uzolchintsha kule episode we're gonna get you a new name on this episode yeah and send last bang bani send last like tinguthika simshini from now on manje umshini kathika bone umshini kathika did you know his first rap name was Tika Mshini dog whoa that Tika Mshini umshini kathika slime
yo
and then Shottenham Slime, why did you come with Shottenham Slime, dog? Like, we slime it too much. I'm like, you know what? I need something with slime in it, boy.
yeah dog it was more of like influence yabo because if you listen to umculo wase ATL mostly
Yeah.
yabo it's influenced by Young
Young
Thug.
Thug.
So yeah I felt like I'm doing the ATL sound
Yeah.
yabo I was trying to replicate what they had going on
Yeah.
yabo so benza mbaphakla wave at the same time ushori name is a lingo yabo yase states
Yase
Umzekelo,
Chicago.
when they say yase Chicago when they say my mama them they
Yeah.
say my mama name
No
so
way.
they replace T with that N
No way.
the TH with that N so
Shorty
I
name.
said short name yabo so
Short.
shorty them like shorty is a light
Yabo.
out in
Yabo.
yabo so shorty them
Oh, shawty the slime. Shawty the
Yabo,
slime.
yeah
Ah,
yeah,
wee.
it's something
Ah,
like
wee,
that
yeah.
like yeah
Then why do you want to change it now, dog? Like,
I found out uba ukho shorty name abaninzi la kukho shorty slime ufoni I find
Oh.
out 2 days ago
Ah, yeah.
yabo
Shorty slime.
kukho shorty slime dog kukho slime life shorty dog
Yo.
yabo baninzi nabanye dog xa ungena ku internet umzekelo ngenzama usiguglisha sometimes
Yo, dog.
ndiyaphuma uphuma abanye abantu
Yeah, awuphumi wena nje. I online ndiyaphuma mina
Ah,
guys. I'm
like,
sorry.
ndiyaphuma
Yo,
ngoku
ndiyaphuma,
like
like-
yeah ikhona enye invention yenzile ndiyaphuma ngoku
It felt so good. Kodwa kenzeka iningi like. Yeah.
yeah
felt so good, but I couldn't see Nix, dog. Like for me, dog. But as long as in Fumanek, I go taking Lloyd Stacks. Yeah, bona la.
Bullshit.
Yatholakala la.
Bona engowonke umuntu ofumanekayo kwezwe.
And earlier on, I said you're the king of SoundCloud Apelokshini, dog. Like, I don't know if any rapper Apelokshini that gets more views, like sound plays on SoundCloud.
Kabe city asazi any rapper, dog. I can't say for sure, but I'm king of SoundCloud because I don't know what
that's
other
why,
people
like,
got going on, yabo. Kuki rappers ngaka discover yabo. Kukintwana ezikhulayo esingazazi ezenza umncolo. Ezinye sewoma high, ezinye sifunde VP or wherever, dog. But asazi bazenza umncolo.
But SoundCloud akasamanyola la wengo. People are not into like SoundCloud. Now they drop on Spotify where it's fucking hard, dog.
Hence ke abanye bethu besathule la we because we want to get on those platforms.
Why aren't you on those platforms, dog? Like
say izinto ze-admin man se-business admin yabo mna nami sazamulungisa into zinjalo otherwise.
And when you drop it will be worth your money, dog.
Dog, like I have more than 20 songs in the vault already, dog.
That's an album, dog.
More than 20 songs. I've been working, dog. Yabo angihlelanga nje ngiyasebenza ukuqha into likhahlamo ngaske nithi drop at least in the hours, but there's a benefit in whatever I'm doing.
Asuthi drop asayikhona emotion out there abantu
into yoba abantu ba locked in, dog, yabo.
Yeah.
But ngaske nami ndithi ndidrop and pick up emotion ndiyazi ba ndidropa ndizoyifumana into ikhona nenzoyifumana back, not just dropping for the sake of dropping because SoundCloud doesn't pay.
Dog, SoundCloud doesn't have
SoundCloud kunisa dropa ku SoundCloud dog kwenzela ntoni umuntu ofumana 50,000 plays, dog. What are you going to do with it?
There's no motion in SoundCloud now. No one is blowing up from SoundCloud anymore.
Nah, dog, SoundCloud wayegrand kuze wayeqala ufika kuze wayengo promoting nansu upcoming artists second no Nanzuka, Ola Flame, they tuned in, no Travis Scott, bezikhangela pha artists so sign, no Sony Universal, like ela xesha, dog, but ngoku it's irrelevant, dog. Yabo kukho YouTube.
YouTube is the shit, but kunzima, dog.
Kunzima. It's rough out there, dog.
No, that's why I'm doing guest episodes only now, dog.
It's all about the organic fan base, dog.
No, Lile, YouTube, that is savage, dog. I'm happy to get 100 views, dog. Come on. Yo, savage, dog. I ain't saying any show. I need pampe views, dog.
Yeah, dog. So zinto zinjalo wena stakes yabo. Otherwise, ilen ba sithule, we're not dropping anything yabo. So we are fixing that side of things. We're trying to finesse our way around it, dog. But eventually, shit will come together.
Izinto phekase woma like zitshintshile, like bona like dala ubona zakho abantu abaninzi sibaziyo la yabarapper abakhulu, but now it's like nini yo.
Dog. It's a few people, dog. Abantu bayazidrop imics ayo KP is the wizard ifondini sithi ngumthakathi nxa simbiza lamshit. Sithi ngumthakathi la we yakudalisiza yo.
So wena like besithi like uzijo ngabaninzi abantu but ngoku like commotion la way when it comes to your rap la, it's mostly the rapping niggas. You're the singing niggas la.
It's the singing niggas. It's I feel like nathi siyaziyekelela to a certain point, to a certain extent, but there is emotion kwelinye icala because bakhona utamasinga bakhona utamaster who are still keeping the flame alive,
and you're chilling with utamaster now. That's a dream, dog. It was a dream, dog. It's a dream, dog.
It's
a dream, dog. I'm the ball polar not the master. Like watch you in the studio, dog.
I shame like I'll talk here choose back then like bemba mamela no qala back then la we ndisakhula la we ubone mamela utamaster mamela opizolution no Mr Bean yabo insimbi zikaqala yabo
that type of shit
like I was actually doing this bars before I did all of this trap shit, dog.
I think I've heard or like ophizo mina zanimamela abantu dan mamelo China ne but zanimamelo iFan man naye I used to be
iFan I feel like iFan utheqelile
okay yeah like yeah
iFan I feel like ufike late la wena
anenza uhlale ehangi wena so kumanyolo ezawethu
hey ayilwatha mfethu we usaphuma phi ngone
no ne ihlale kumanyolo like xhosa la wesi
hayi bizufta ayilwatha
asikayima pipi funa singene on more like personal stuff okay yabo like so ukhulele ehangi la we yabo
like ngikhulele ehangi
were you born there
ngowalapha nje
ngolapha la
ya ngowalapha olate lami la sitina high time lami la lapha eWoma lawe time lami likhule liqhuba itaxi yabo ngino taxi liplanga lawe bone naye kweziweza khona yabo
eziphiwe zakhona
eziweka lokuze kokhoma planga
okay ezaweza kudala lawe
ezaweza kudala ya abatsotsi boqala
yo zanoyika la maxesha hayi 12 nikube sendlini ngo8 ba ukhoseni nobethwa unye ngeplanga nje
but it's just took another change
dala benyani fanele kube sendlini jongo leno ngo8 wise basidibene na stratweni yo jongo kuplanga
but yabo yona I feel like yakhutyazwa psychologically ila era ye-apartheid because kuthiwa he was a struggle hero in some kind of way, in some type of way. Liphako zawe ezinenge ukubebanjwa sometimes batorturishwe balunyiswe ngezinja bafakwe kwi-electric chairs yabona indoni kusekho iazapho nendoni kulwa nemibutho yabo so ngumuntu osuka phako zawe
singaba ka 2000 dog
from ezawe wasuka ke like wayezitaxini wasuka ezitaxini waqeshwa I think Pembury Tourist or something waba yi tourist ride for izigaka zaphesheya yabo uqhubela
izigaka ezithathe umhlaba
wayifika uqala kwami ubona uqala
sorry ashosa I'm angry dog qhumele tata akha ashosa yani felt like yo don't laugh at this shit dog. I hate like yo
mate so usuka hapo waqhubela izigaka yabo mina uqala kwami ubona imoto ezinamavili amqolo lawe ijeep nendoni nanizibona ngalamjida lawe cause ubawo neziweyi ezinansuka yayikhona enye wese sokufika nayo eziweyi ngazi quantum but ezi slide with cute yabo isitixo sayo siyacofa nxa sivulwa like that she used to always fascinate me dog ngoba isitixo siyavaleka la ngathi okapi uyastop
yo lekaka le ari okapi dog
ayinolile isitixo
cofa la
yabo uqala kwabo jeqeza uyebona like fancy cars dog ngibona kulamjita lawe ngoma yungcolile at that time nangancima izimoto zakhe lawe but the thing is le moto mhlawumbe 2 days apha endlini abuye nayo 2 days ngomso uphinde ubuye nengathi iquantum ngomsomnye uphinde ubuye nenye ezimanzi ngaphi imoto bathi xa kufumaniseka kuba mhlawumbe unikwe i-leave for inyanga uqhobe isikorokoro se325 yakhe seBM awuziphe
ezimowaphezuwetho kudala ikhona le moto naye sayichinje okla
elike wako ibonnet yayiboshwe ngecingo lawe inaye nengxaki yefan nehlahla lijana hayi time
that's why cookie land mechanics baku endlini
hayi
esala kuBM phana nini sala kulungisa BM phana
la ngifike itime yami yapse yabhoda kudala la ngabana bafika bomini
hacho so ayilungisa nyemoto phana ibona makulungisa BMW phana jo ka BMW wasekhaya
yavayela kaka Steve ndo Steve Vince ehlala aphi site la we nisaphe site wayisamisa by
fast forward wazaphe woma dog like
ndazaphe woma but uzaphe woma like beniyenza londo nge-weekends nange-holidays because if unobuza around esibangweni sami for most of the time like ungacimba zange ndahamba like abantu ndakhula nabo from the jump from this
Oh,
because Christian leqalela apha
Yeah.
yabo phakala ukho kuMasifunde
Yeah.
yeah phayi xa ngufezeka sengufezeka
Yeah.
ngoko opposite kuKZ yabo khona la tavern ngapha
Yeah, ndayibona.
yeah kusithiwa kukaZethi phayi tavern zijongene la way yabo ngaphi
Pana Joe, kaze like I have a story. Yes, I have a story about that place, dog, but it's maybe I'll say it later, dog. Cause zayihindlu like Gazette, zayihindlu ka tabawa wam liya. Nentabawa wam wahamba beberenda bona pha.
okay aba bantu bayithathayo la
Abantu bakaZet beberenda
bebek
cha hamba intabawa wam wayekapa yabo washiya icousins zakhe apha. Ayibuya faneni sekukwi RDP yok and lanto ikaZet.
you are house check house check
If I'm talking about the right house though, but
yeah
dog. Opposite kafezeka dog.
yeah itavern pa
Yeah, I'm telling you, dog.
dan phayi creech la way
Ngcolile zakaka eziyana la. Yo. But fast forward, dog, you two nibuthetha ngento echaya iqoqa, dog. What's that qoqa wethu?
yeah dog the
Me too, I used to smoke drugs, dog, when I was a kid, dog. I used to smoke.
yeah the qoqa way dog the
Interesting,
qoqa
yeah.
way I think it was a way of fitting in dog
Yeah.
yabo qoqa way like umna like I grew up mostly in a household egcwele ngabantu babhinqele
Yeah.
yabo engeho bengathandi basendlini
Yeah.
first of all second of all like I'm almost the only male who
Yeah, good time.
ayikho most of the time I'm the only male that's in the house dog I come to understand that when I'm
Yeah.
going through shit whenever there's something going on there's no one I can talk to because the time I am your board
Yeah.
semncinci yabo there's no one I can talk to akekho umuntu orelateayo kwi-mentality
Yeah.
yabo so most of the time bengihlala namajita bendizithanda icho more than
Yeah.
anything like I not stick around the house for fucking 2 weeks dog you don't know where I'm at
What's the room yakho mna nabe back?
ubone phone yami ngomnqondo weroom yami neroom yami nayo ngikhathelele yibo achus for ugcwele nan disco
Ah,
kakubhe
fenyane.
unospoka
Ngaka.
48 wase bush
Awuphila fani sasa strategy like andiyazi iphembe layo sane like cause solo kancimihlala nobheka kanti ncimihlala nospoba leka all the time ibana like nendawo yayo lekaka
neqonga lamo
Chinyani vethu like lekaki nendawo yayo ngiphembe lomnyuma Umuntu ozayo phande yazi ba hayi nakalithela. Yo bro.
like yabo izinto ezinjalo dog yabo enge huko umna like dandibaselekile nxa ubaselwa yi-hip hop uzobaseleka ngo-50 cent nxa ubaseleke ngo-50 cent uzabaseleka ngomnye more than 50 cent ozawufika ngoku nxa ujonga kwi-internet lo 50 cent udubule abantu nyanyana une-case ezenzekayo and then ucula ngochaya drugs yabo
Enyani these rappers talk about these things
yabo so nangicinga ndiyakhula ndiyi-rapper mina aspiring rapper ndisukile ngokunqikilike namakhulu amathathu 300 nento yabo andisekho phaa anymore yabo ndimamele olilweni the smoking coach smoking on a tunch nendo yabo mamele young thug the popping Marleys and Zens and X pills and whatever dog
so that
yabo,
inspired you dog
they shooting niggas dog
dog
kaloku jonga cinga ndisekasi cinga environment isetting yalapho kakade
environment yapha sengcolile
fucked up dog and ihamba nezikaka dog and ezikaka ke azipholelwanga yabo nxa sithi haka ngibuzi kabini kathathu nambi same time if bakulomsindo kuthiwa
peer pressure basically
ziyabhimba fondini anzobe ndibuza kabini
kamna the first time I smoked crack dog amangayithethi kule episode but it's so easy to smoke drugs guys like it's if you're smoking if you're like nyani that's why weed is a gateway for
Yeah,
i-drugs
ndaqala ngayo.
Saqala ngeweed.
Hayi mna ndiyaxoka ndaqala ngebenzini ndisesehambe.
yo le kaka le
Echaya ipoqopoqo.
yo le kaka
Ayahlekisa.
poko jo andiyazi ibenzini kudala kwathutha ngebenzini
Echaya ngenantsuka yabo ibisi le long life.
Yeah,
Inantsuka.
lawe.
Yeah,
Manutlewe.
Ichaya lawe.
I know it from iglue, dog. I've smoked iglue before, dog. Ubone igalela
I feel like isimila lawe.
I think is it similar, dog?
Yeah,
'Cause
but yona inuka like inuka caramel.
iglue is so fucking addictive, dog. Like now,
Yeah?
you're like iglue is so addictive. Bao those bhaqa so try iglue fun if it's around.
Khona intwana endiyaziyo.
Yeah. Cause fun bao igalela way plain chips like packet chips uvela skule
Ikhona intwana
Gogo, if yo
amazinyo nelwimi.
yo
Yadibana amazinyo
Yo.
nelwimi. Sangikwazi uyeskela for like 2 weeks.
yo
Sese primary.
Yeah.
Andiyazi yatya
Yeah.
njani. But yadibana amazinyo like ilwimi layo like
Oh.
abastaka abaphezulu. Kule ndawo thiwa yingala kahle. Yiglue fondini. Ithe nca emlonyeni.
but fuck it like ekuthela ngeglo lawe
Traumatized.
like but yeah I'm glad that bone wayeka cause now I'm fit yo talk like Pufuyekile for try drugs dog
Yeah, alwathi
like dog fit like imna yazi ngona
Uzonjalo.
I used to smoke drugs ne and I stopped chai ganja ka okay you can say it's a drug but
So
fuck
ina
it
ngicela ukubuza
Yeah,
ngiyayazi ngo interview wami.
Yeah.
Like wawuchaya iphi drug?
umna dog I used to saqala ngeweed and then like chaya idek yabo
Kwanginjani ngekidek?
yo sure
Was it like something you woke up and decided that
Sure,
you're
Andre,
gonna
I'm-
quit, or like
mamela,
you
yeah.
wayeka over a period of time like a process?
I won't lie, Joe. For me, being a so ingxaki yachos. I won't lie. Being like for me, it was never a problem. Yeah, but sas China, man, just China only. Figin your man, it amateur. Man, go better nje le way up, then divide. Yeah, bo. Then better le way ayo. Na ati sati man from man kasbeti selawe. Enyano ngumne rumeno better le way. And then after that. Pume remains I scarela for any like one puff is better. Sabazi crack addicts right now. God,
Yeah,
come on,
fresh,
all
yeah,
of a sudden,
khulula umzimba.
all of a sudden, umnityalwa 50 rand, funny hicho like I can tell 50 rand lawe masayithatha juice. If saya kulomjita. Umjita kakho 50 rand yapha la tafuna kunika 50 rand yakho yena. Hey sabuya jo. And then ndazibona ndaxelela ngalo mini ba bona le drug lena bengixelelwe ngayo and it dangerous and ndibonile just by one puff ba yo ingakuthatha as in one go so ever since mina ndayichaya la mina ndacela jonga lena anzoyichaya la he and anzoyikhupha imali yayo and anzoyithenga enyani ke all of the time ngichaya la ways that's because anifihlamisa bayilaka ichaya phambi ngami it can chayise mfethu mhlambe zokaka zinga speed yabo mhlambe zokaka zinga speed yazinchayise yabo so it was never like ingxaki but
yabo mna angifuna uxoxa mna I became addicted dog. Ndichaye for many years dog.
Yo, dog.
To the point whereby ndifike nekwezinye drugs la ndichaya nezinye izinto engazange ndizicinga ndizichaya. Yabo ndahamba nabanye abantu wathi saboyike kayo lawe. Like abanye babantu ndithetha ngaba ndifuna ubiza amagama babhoda nobhoda basekho laba kulomhlaba.
nabantu finyani jo hayi
Most yabo in fact babhoda.
smoshile jo
Most yabo yazuka.
yo jo yo I think this is a serious matter but Claire, as long as nyani fethu stop smoking drugs dog
Yeah,
like,
drugs are not cool.
mina fonini lasijambelanga ngiphi imini qoma khona enye imini yabona nesesikolweni la xesha ba daba ipop yemnyamjita la yeah dathi mangani bole pop funa echaya phandle lawe wanika lamjita qhwesha jo dayaba nzoyithengisa mangonye drug dealer lawe yawo khona enye roman taluk sayihlala ezantsi dibana nopoki mfethu yabo poki yapha uthi amanzokisa phakatalok saya pha kuye sayidepo jo yeah Yeah. Hawu ngayipasa. So fethu andisedepo upoki fani. Yo fani ngifika phana kwesigaga sedepo zimdaka la bona ezinye ziphethe like igani, ezinye ziphethe imela, ngechaya kudlala ama dice, nazi crack everything fani. Don't think sale pop mina fani ngiqoma yo. Yeah, I think banzoqhubeka nale way. So nindiza apha John like dasibona nje kayiwanqamba yo.
Umnanda nibaseleka nxa kwendikwele manye amakasi ofuna lapha la
fethu ngalami ndabuye endlini ndazixela feni pha kum endlini
bawuyachaya
yeah fethu nafika nathi like Sharon cela undise rehab then and chai dick yo foni nakhala mnazala feni sayiso kozaweza kosanka feni nan grand boom. But yena zayindisela for yongino mina benifuna uyiselwa for like idek so wanibona the following week ngikhonyoni izola yo
hayi mina yo usifake
khonyiwe sorry mom sorry but give it a fast forward lawe
fast forward
lapha la we and
yabo enike woku like umshita woku lapha la we yabo ani semabhandini la way andisazenze za way and
that's good.
I'm grateful dog. I'm thanking the Lord ndidibene nabantu abagrand ndadibana no K yabo.
How did you meet K dog?
Ngculo.
How did you meet K?
K the first time siya kuye nandiyo recorder dog nanibhatala la way.
Yeah.
I think okay sadibana several times before ndi record.
Yeah.
Yabo. Dan manenjikela no Tsepo pha kuye nxa ngqonyiwe nangakayeki uchaya.
Enye leyo le
hambi ubona nababantu ngoku like ba dangerous bathini bena manje nabantu bachayiweyo
man
bona bachayile yabo yeah otherwise ndihamba no Achus wami manje ndisa pha kunansi
okay
enge woku
K beats by the way
yeah enge woku yabo mina benzisa time nxa ndiqhonyiwe ndidlalelwa ngamandla bona ndiparanoid hey man ubone ndiyazazela man
ngakale
yabo so dibana no Kenya khumbulo onantsuka utsepe ndisa ku K Sisa wayepha but I don't think Sisa remembers my first time ndisiya pha ku K wayithetha lento achuswa wami lo yabo acula nomshita yonso wami K nendoni yawazi mosamaphara thetha aphathethe pha ezinye izinto ndizikhumbula uba ndiyayazi definitely wayithetha into ezingadibaniyo yabo sahamba ayisaphakama sahamba I think that ngqondo beats ngalavi speaking beats ayikoba bhanqa ke lamaphara
nambe sikana hlala khakha
athethe
hani bethe
hayi sizothetha nje baba glewe otherwise nabi yabo sorry introduce
again. K has been the game.
Sabeka, I think we went the second time. Here to K. Sabeka. Saphine ke ukusabuya ona nanzombuzo K by imali no or record.
Yeah.
Once again. Sabeka la way. And then the third time I actually went to record dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, I think the first song we made together was
Voucher.
No, ndiyaxoka. Smoking It Up, dog.
Yo, Smoking It Up, dog. I think,
up,
is that
dog.
Your biggest track now on SoundCloud? The Smoking It.
No, Voucher. Smoking It Up was big.
Smoking It Up. Yo, Joe, like, tell us about the Smoking It Up. Sorry, K, but he's gonna tell you about that.
Smoking It Up, dog. Kukula era chuos bekota kakhulu bone le age group yethu.
Yeah,
ezindenge most bingo achos ezindenge woku. Like I felt like I had one foot in the street and majority of me wanted to escape from that lifestyle. But I couldn't find the balance though, because I'm going through shit and one escape yami ndibonayo nxa ndikukho challenges bone
manchaye
that way bone So ke ngoku like ingoma engelo hlobo it expresses the challenges. Yeah, cause nditsho pha ithinyo ndayilibala noba
After I listen to the song,
like
yeah.
ndiyathanda ngumthandazo smoking it up.
Dog, you rap a lot on your tracks.
It's tired. This live shit is so tiring. Ndijonge kuwe,
Yeah.
I'm smoking it
Yeah.
up. Yabo and ndijonge
Phezulu,
phezulu.
yeah,
ubone. So like ndithethana ngezinto bawuza ncama baza kunqasha phandle nento yabo ndiyathandaza napha ndiyathandaza sister wami mandibone ndiziyeke ezi drugs sister wami engayanga bantshaye drugs because amameli umnqulo wami yabo ayaba ntshaye drugs mhlawumbe beyazi because benibona yabo but abantu abathethi sometimes
bayabukela phone like hey ayishaya
lena
kolela isibane tayam cole man nansi emva kwale carpet. Yeah.
So smoking it up like
that's a nice song, dog. Then
dog like it's 11 city neziko
ngolile umculo wakho, dog.
Cause ingoma ngari if you listen hard enough it's a relatable song, dog. It's a relatable song, but at the same time it trap lawi yabo and ngoko at the same time melodic yabo it's a balance dog yabo sayeka uku oka ngamachina wethu amakhulu nemoto.
Talking about your swag yakho, dog, like I don't know, like how do you born like Soloko Fetu when I see you on his pictures like ngathi like you're in America, dog, like swag yakho when you like dog I'm not like like that bang wala phela dog buy swag yam, dog, cause anzazi like I just buy izinto zomakhamla lapha like but wena you just
dog nami ndithenga kwezindawo abantu bathenga kuzo la wethu cha yazini umfethu mna I felt like I always had a taste for fashion and I think it's something I'm gonna get into yabo pha ku future if ever I have a chance cause I feel like umculo nembahla the way you dress is the way you articulate yourself, dog.
Now,
visually.
Abantu
nxa bekubona I first impression yakho before uthethe iba indlela
trip yakho la
yabo i-trip yakho. So like mna I'm articulating myself uyambona ndiyirapper ningakathethi
like
yabo kukho abantu ababuzayo nje on the random ayikho mhlawumbe sincokole uyirapper kyos niyarapper ndiyabona nje yabo so like indlela engayo because it's that rapper side of me lawe otherwise like it's for the love of the game, dog. It's for the love of imbalo, it's for the love of the hip hop swag, it's whatever, dog. It's part of the culture. Yonke la we package deal.
And it's 2025, dog. Like, what you got for us, dog? So, people have been talking about you, Apa. First of all, being Simple Adams, and then second of all, being Tamasing or Mojito. Like, he talked about you, dog, about you doing your thing, dog. Like, and now I'm fit to listen to your shit, dog.
Most of them go is still in the vault. But this year I think I'm gonna drop something.
We need something.
I think emphasize upon I think because we say call the admin side of things.
Saw that before.
So as soon as I'm finished with all of those things, and then you go like, that's my time to drop, Lawi. I can get the green light.
Dog, we need you, Slime, Lawi, and we can't wait for the new name, Lawi. Actually, we got a new name.
Dinazo ngoma zesixhosa ngondi buyele pha kwespaza way.
Yeah, the spaza way.
But it's trap shit, Xhosa trap shit.
Hey, dog, you rap a lot, dog. Like, why do you rap a lot, dog? Like, give Versailles will be 36 bars, dog. Like it's dog. This nigga raps.
Yazi. I feel like it was la era ka Lil Baby.
Like it's like
so kuba motivated la era yabo Lil Baby beningoma ezinisi low down. Ingoma ezinje ya O Grace.
But it's not a bad thing, dog. But
been motivated ngoye. Rapping athi like akambamba umphefumulo like ivesi yonke oqalile ivesi ke rapper lawi so like benimamela ingoma ezinje ya ndibaseleke bayema asikebona rap ehlobo nami la wele kaki
Yeah.
izonjani yabo, but obviously now ufika studio you find out it's impossible.
Yo,
So kwazi uyenza le ifuneka iqhawulwe
Yeah.
as it takes.
it takes us needs a
But
lot.
yeah, I feel like motivation yam from Elaxesha, it was stemming from there.
I hear you've been talking about OPs okudala yabona like no as a rappers as the courses heavy la way.
Yeah.
Plus no Young Thug, no it's just ATL shit like
Yeah.
right now bona like gobani kuwe who are doing the shit like bona come okay I see the wave I see the motion I pick us like episodes of Africa basically
The likes of Kindly Nash.
where into that sound tapped into that sound
Yeah.
yeah that shit is
Likes
lit.
of Kindly Nash, the likes of Opleki.
Where
The goat.
ooh some nyama the go
Onanzuka, K-Kid,
where
Orish.
oh dog like the sound yakho I can it's close to the sound better high basically like oh rich my oh
Yeah,
dog
my Ori dog. My Ori.
Ota bravo bamameli dog
Yeah.
yeah okay abamelo areas ke dog like yo
It is here and there, dog, now and then. But go too much ku
Yeah.
sound yakhe la
Aware.
way. Yabo, I'm not too tapped in. Ngizama viri bangopho umuntu. Is there anybody I'm leaving out? Baninzi dog. It's
Ah,
just
see,
that they're not
Apekasi,
coming
like,
to mind.
Apekasi.
Oslak. Abanye, I feel like it's
Yeah.
mostly underground.
underground most yeah so like
Mostly
yeah
SoundCloud yabo, but ba relevant phakula macala se
Yeah.
Joburg yabo most yabo la way.
Apekasi like who was like are you tapped into anybody at class like us like
Tama singa.
yeah God's will
Yes,
entertainment
Tama singa.
Yeah.
You can't get.
yeah acho
Can't
acho tamasika la way like flow yakho la way da and like
Yes,
yo
Tama singa.
yo
Yeah, Tama singa. Ngoba nomi vira. Usitsho mfethu yazi i-hip hop aphekas mostly and ke ngoku yazi ingxaka aphekas enye izinto uzibona ku-internet for the
Yeah.
most part yabo. Tama singa uSims naye is coming hard nonansuka no
no cool shit Jan
Koshi Kyan, yeah.
are you tapped into Sims no cool shit Jan
Yeah,
Yeah.
dog. Yeah, I'm tapped into
Yeah.
those niggas, dog. Ngubani vira omnye umuntu not in the tapped in boy. Ngifuna uxoxa andizimamele sound.
Nah, no
Ngizwa
problem.
nje
Yeah,
mhlawumbe
no,
khona
yeah.
nabantu abancane utalakhe la way.
yeah tala killer
Talakhe yeah, is strong sound yakhe la way, is strong but yabo mostly yena ukhalisa nono yo nono
Yeah.
yakhala ngayo
Yeah, bo.
sound yakhe la way.
but yeah, before we close it, dog, like I think it's time we close it. It's been like an hour now. So Tate, it's nice to have you on the
Yeah.
podcast. Yo, chong saluga amlo on the dog, like.
Yeah, no
Yeah.
kuyitsho
Uqabane, like. We can catch our track on SoundCloud 041, dog. 041 my city. Kabeja in the EC. I'm from the hood that trap. Yeah, I forgot that. Dog, for you, dog. Yeah, well, yeah, yeah, dog, like it's all that shit, like.
It's been a long time.
Yeah, but before I close the I just want to ask, like, between making the music and performing, which one do you like the most, like, performing or making the music?
No, I think as much as I enjoy making the music, dog,
Yo.
the performance,
Yo, doggy.
it's too lady, dog.
Ooh,
It's too lady. Ngabe yiva le way yami because non performer mostly I'm with amachita arm.
yeah,
Yabo mhlawumbe nalomntu uyi-1 uzo record e-studio kanye amachita arm.
Yeah.
Yabo. But non performer dog ukuzilwele la
Yo.
we I have a crowd here. Yabo.
And
Kukho
abantu-
indlebe ngendlebe abanye bamalela le sound yami.
yo,
Yabo abanye mhlawumbe abayithandi but abo mayimamelayo sometimes baba overhyped la way babe stimulated ngomyuya xhumaxhuma
ngene stage ni gaga.
yabona ngoma
Yo.
yabona amunike spirit ke
Yo.
ngoba
I like that shit, dog.
yabo so i-performance dog performance I choose the performance
I like
over
that
the
shit,
recording session.
But yeah, dog, I just want to say thank you for pulling up to the podcast.
Yeah, always
Yabo.
dog.
Thank you. Next
It's
is about
emotional,
KP.
it's
It's like,
It's
but
emotional.
ke funeka avume
Yes.
ngokwakhe la. When you come into the
It's emotional,
podcast, when you
it's
come,
emotional.
but yeah, thank you very much, man. Like, I wish you the
man.
best, dog.
Exactly.
Like you are
Same to you,
fucking
dog.
awesome, dog. Like,
Same to you.
guys, when you say this nigga can rap, this nigga raps, dog. Like, ngolili way yakhe, dog. And shorting them slime, dog.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Should he drop a 16 for us?
Yes, honest.
Kali. Paps papi sengiwe chola eh. Maybe a young performance nyana la eh. But if I fool it,
but
You
if
can
ever
put-
be Connie sound.
you can put on a song, dog.
Yeah,
But
fucking go. I'm
Yeah.
gonna preview
Yeah.
a snippet.
shoo, say valanga ayo.
Say
Say valanga ayo. Yeah. But yeah, Lawi. K Beats, we need you next. Like any questions that you wanna ask? Okay, to the niggas out there, any questions you wanna ask? Then slime before we vale Lawi.
Yeah, but a slam throughout you. Okay, each and every Messiah. I could beef.
Yo.
I got beef and peas now.
Yeah.
I know I don't entertain.
Yeah,
that
funny,
type of
have
bullshit.
you-
I've never entertained that type of bullshit. Like I don't.
So go beef Joe.
Omna zanga la beef Joe. But I've had people who
Kapini
have beef
better
with
na-
me though. But I never entertained the beef. Like even Nobunun this, most of the time, 10 out of 9 times, I saw them respond and not respond like Londo. Like they're not bandi go yik, not on some
Yeah.
shit bandi go yik cause
Like boy
Like,
naxesha lolo we.
mind you, ndane era yam engarepi ehlobo njenge ya I've gone through a lot of phases,
Yeah.
dog. Metamorphosis bacho the way yam ye rap. Dog, I've went through I era yothanda abantu abasound njengo Eminem to the point where by bembhala umculo nje yana.
Yeah.
No Risi bembhala umculo nje la mculo ufuna dictionary namagama amakhulu. Yabo.
Yo.
To the transitionela to trap. So from ispaza to trap
Yeah, boy.
and in between akho sound ngakwazi uthi qinayo ngakwazi if ever not let's go on some A shit bar for bar dibhali ngakwazi ukubhalela I type beats ka J Cole
Yeah. Everything, dog.
yabo ndikubhalele sidisant but asondiyenza ngizayenzela ntoni
Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
it's
don't
not
entertain.
benefit-
Bone la we like.
it's not beneficial for you
Yeah, bo.
like ngizayenzela ntoni.
Think we have another question out there, dog. Tamasinga, you got a question for Slime?
Yeah. Lo mjita tala mbona umbuza leyo ilawe. Isathu nombuza abo podcast because neyazi ba akazoba na option but only at 30 nyani.
Ahoy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Abona xa nombuza private uzatshaya.
Yeah.
So akana choice ngo. So wena Slime yabona izinto ezikayo apha yabo. Yesiba amajita bewelapha kwi podcast before akhalile ngawo ba yiwa umjito betha yoma like ku Slime. Yabo.
short
Nami xa ndihamba kwizindawo zami lawo kuthiwa akasimameli amajita obetha nawo mani khambe ngezwi zakho
Yeah.
yabo qho amajita khala ngawe jo baye ngubani lo mjita man yabona kanjani ide yandibuze enye iponi Saturday so kubani emngqinayo apha eWoma dathetha same thing ebendiyithetha kwa podcast ba man ngenye out ekuthiwa nguSlime all to find out yakwazi lo mjita yabo
sure
so baninzi abantu abakhala ngawe even rappers ozibona wena ngathi zibig is underground
Kalanga hawe.
so yanibuza leboni xa ucomparisha wena Mohito and Slime kubani best and bicycle mfethu andithi lento kuba nilapha yabo
Yo.
I'm honest manika yabo so namcela lamjita afuna uSlime nguye ontswimbo but the nigga was like but uSlime usi aka movie the way you do even ku social media yabo so now I was like no isizathu soba mina ndibavile wena wenza into ongakwazi uyenza umculo wakho uglobal mina I do this for amajita aselokishini yabo but wena wenza lento for amajita aselokishini nalamajita asephumelele yabo so my question is xa urate ngabantu ngehlobo bagrate ngalo ngoku yabo phinde usebenze namajita azirata low kunawe how do you keep that humility bro ba usamamela uMojito obigger than bona when it comes to music yabo like how do you keep that bro because uNtswembu kunalamajita but at the same time ulandela ona why ungaziqalile yakho into ube big ihlobo ufuna uba big ngalo nanoba mhlawumbe yayiva nale question
yeah andikuwe khulumani
Awe.
kuwe full force yeah I think lando yonke all based on perspective yabo uMojito othi nxa ebuzwa bangubani obig othi ngoSlime yabo ezba echilo naye into ayenzayo into endiyenzayo akwazi uyenza
Yeah.
same applies to me
Yeah.
yabo I respect niggas who don't do my sound because andisoze ngikwazi noba ndinoyenza into esimilar to le yakho
Yeah.
soze ngikwazi uyenza njengawe
Yeah.
yabo and ke ngoku yabo yena enye into wenza enye into engazange ndayiva every time record
Yo,
zange
Jona, yeah,
ndake
simkhayela
ndamamela
uTamohito.
uTamohito
Ay,
afike
ay,
studio nqoma yuna ndake ndayiva le flow
Andikayiva i-bad
nale
song from
verse
uTamohito.
kubani yabo every time it's something you so obviously artistry zakufascinate ba you I craft uyibhalile ta
Yeah,
yabo
uyibhale.
uzabaseleka la yule ta iwatch
Uyicinge njani
ubone
le ta?
now you are going through his thought process
Oh, lela,
umamelele ba ye man
Yo, should have said this.
uthexe injani mina ndibonga sikubone bethi into esinjena so like kukho i-pockets akwazi uzihita
Yeah.
engakwazi ufika kuzo nami zikhona i-pockets engikwazi uzihita
Kwazi ufika.
hayi mna ndayihlehla
Oh,
nakusikela
yi. Ningachayi lo mshito.
hayi fondini
Ngitshaya nami,
salingaza
bro.
hayi mfethu ibambekile le kaka
Onethe. Benipasela izoli.
hayi fondini kanqala uzuchaya yabo yeah dogzi
But yeah, la we.
yeah so into enjalo yabo uTamohito yayenza into yakhe and ke ngoku kukho indlela move ngayo utsho naye umna I'm introverted la we umna I don't like being there too much
Yeah.
unless it's a circle of people I know if ever you get to make it to a circle yam as viewisha I status zam
Yeah.
zaka WhatsApp and then obviously ngumuntu ondaziyo yandazi bani njani
Yeah.
and then ke ngizaba transparent I'm going ndiza poster yonke into but for the most part kwezi social media ubukelwa kuzo nazi stranger andithanda ba lawo
You gotta be like that way.
you understand that
You gotta be like that
yabo
way.
default setting yami enzama uyichinja nami yabo
I'm from ba that way. dog.
yabo nami ndiyabawela dog ba that way I think I'm gonna conjure up
Yeah,
speed
that's how we gotta conjure up the spinny, boy.
yeah dog
Any last questions?
Yeah. Big dog in a country now like South Africa.
Yeah,
Kuyo ne. Uyuqava mos ukuthi we like hip hop always has to fight for space
yeah dog
because there's like other genres which abantu can I cuss?
Yeah, dog. Listen, yeah, we're running out of space on we're running out of space.
In a country where like in South Africa, I mean hip hop always has to fight for its space because of the genres ezifana neqom nepiano.
It's just
What
that.
do you think hip hop needs in order to be as relevant as piano? And what do you think you can do to change Yongelo way as an artist?
okay you yacho
Make it short and simple. dog.
unzima lambuzo la
Sivale.
you have yabo first of all I feel like hip hop is in decline because of inanzuka yethu media promotion yabo of which means ingoma ze hip hop they're not being more promoted
Yeah.
even if unohlala ngoku ko MTV base
Yona ku Channel O dog.
kuzadlala ipiano imini yonke so abantu bachanelwa yi-TV bachanelwa yi-social media
Hayi awuqoqi nje yami like
i-propaganda
Funny
yonke
is-
eyokuba makudominate into kusetyenziswa i-propaganda and as long as kusakhutshwa i-hits from that genre zizawuneglectwa ii-hits zale igenre
Yo.
kufocuse kweziya
Jayam,
kwenzela uba
awuqoqi
kupushwe laa
nje
sound
yami.
okokoko
awuqoqi nje salo
Yabo.
kufaka ipiano ku Channel O, MTV base no Trace.
qondile dog
Aqhele zakakho. Solo
Qondile,
piano
dog.
chayiwe mfethu la.
yabo
Nelichayiwe.
nobatshayiwe nesikhathi esingaziwayo siyadlalwa
Lesibona film America la. Dog hip hop no bichayiwe funa uyafuna imamela kodwa like on those things. Abakhala beat hip hop koma yo.
and ke okilapha nakuthi emakazini i-culture yase South Africa butshwala siyaziwa basi ngo number 1 siku number 2
Yo,
most alcohol consuming
Yo,
people in the
funny.
world
Top five,
is South
funny.
Africa
Top 5
Yabo.
funny.
and ke ngoku
Yo.
buphi utywala buse groove groove kodlalwa ndo
Yo, qom.
piano uyayiva hip hop unless kugqothwa abantu
Sivalile dog lawe. Gcwele space. Kapini icapha la isogqibela izopina 2 minutes wa. Ha. Pelene. But yeah, mfethu la even though those niggas can't see us, but thank you for tuning in. But yeah, lawe thank you for coming to the pod, man. See you next time. Iyo Masien.